on twisting. And we have one twist down. Wow. Okay, now guys, it's your girl Razor in the and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo, and if you're returning, what's up? In the previous video, we blow dried, right? Let's do a little backstory. It's been 6 years since my last big chop. I would consider it a big chop because I did cut off a lot of my hair. Actually 6 years and a couple months, and we're still going strong. I don't know how strong, but we're hanging in there. This year, I didn't do too much to my hair, but it may have been my mastery year. I continued to explore and learn my hair even more. I've found products that my hair really loves and mastered styles that I never thought that I would have. To be honest, sometimes I was quite bored and neglected my hair a lot, or felt detached most times. But can you believe it that it's been 7 years and months since I've chopped it all off? I've also mastered hair growth and continued to share all my tips with you guys in the process. Some major lessons that I learned is that routines are important and to not overcomplicate things. Stick to what works and try to be consistent. Also, life happens, but it also continues. Figure it out and keep going. Do what works for you unapologetically. So, what's in store for 2024? Keep watching. But I don't care for my hair to get too straight, as I said, because I'm just focusing on trimming right now. To take this down again just so we can reminisce. But before we do that, I also picked up this African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Curling Cream. I'm still thinking or trying to decide on if I should do a twist out or braid out. I haven't done a braid out in such a long time, but do I want to braid out or do I want to twist out? Which one is gonna last longer? Which one am I going to be able to? I don't know. I'm gonna style my hair, but wait, let's smell this real quick. Y'all, this smells so good. This smells like coconut tat. If you're not from the Virgin Islands, maybe you won't know what coconut tat is. It may be called something different in the other Caribbean islands, but this smells so good. It smells like dough, like cake batter. Light, not too sweet. Oh my gosh, it smells like, what's that smell? Pina colada? It's a little light. It might make my hair revert a lot, but I don't know at this point. But I mainly just blow dried my hair to trim, and I don't really style on my blow dried hair. I'm just gonna see how that goes today. But let's take it down. Let me go back. You know, we need space. Beautiful. The other side now. Beautiful. I just love, it's not even about the length for me, it's about the health, the fullness. Wow, I love it. We're gonna start on this side first. I can't use too much of the product because I don't want my hair to fully revert back. Let's see how this goes, guys. I haven't used this product before, so I don't know. And just drag it down. I'm gonna braid at the roots and then twist. Braiding at the roots so my hair can stay stretched. Am I deciding what I'm doing yet? Yes, we're gonna twist. Apply a little bit more product. Again, I don't want too much because I don't want my hair to revert. Today is Wednesday. I may go out this weekend. I'll probably unravel then or unravel before that and then style. I'm applying more as I go towards the end. We're gonna see what this first twist looks like in a bit, and you know we be twisting, so hold on. I keep on twisting. I'm just twirling the ends, and we have one twist down. How we looking? Wow, I may have needed to put some more product towards the top because as you can see towards the ends I started to put a little bit more and it's starting to curl back, but that's fine. But this looks so good. Don't play with it. I do feel like taking this out though. Hold on. Because if I don't put much product here, it's not gonna hold at that area. So what I can do is apply little by little, and y'all see the section? Disgusting, but it's okay. Apply a little by little as I go down the hair. And I guess I can talk about my 2024 hair goals a little bit in this video. I want thicker hair. I know. Okay, wait, look at this one time. Okay, boom. I want thicker hair. Hear me out. Okay, so I know my hair is on the thick side, yes, but I want thicker hair straight through. And I did tell you guys this before, I'm gonna need that same rat tail comb. And this has been a goal for me since last year. And I'm somewhat reaching that goal, but that's just the goal I'm gonna be focusing on again next year. Because I want my hair to be like the same length all over, you know? But the way how my hair grows, the way how my hair breaks, is just kind of hard to achieve. But I'm getting there slowly but surely. I may trim my hair a lot more often next year. Well, I didn't really trim my hair much this year, to be honest. I did about 2 major trims this year when my hair was blow dried. My hair is doing pretty good. The health of my hair is there. I know my problem section, like for instance this section, this area right here was extremely hard to retain length, let's say that. This twist down. What time is it? I got somewhere to go for 5 o'clock. My hair is resting on my leg. So my goal for next year is thicker, healthier hair. I think I'm past the grow long hair phase because like I know exactly how to grow my hair and get a certain length if I wanted to, but I just want to focus on the health of my hair right now so I can wear different hairstyles and my hair looks good, you know. A wash and go on healthy hair looks better on a wash and go with long hair that's not really healthy. A braid out, a twist out on healthy hair looks so much better on hair that's healthy versus not the healthiest, you know what I mean? So I'm applying little by little. That seems to be working as I twist. And healthy hair for me means keeping up with my trims. So let me finish this side and come back to you guys. We are done. How are we looking? This side has been finished for a while and I just completed this side. This has been a while, like a week process, almost, no, 3-4 day process because I broke everything down and took my time, and I am satisfied. I feel good. The hair is moisturized, hydrated, detangled, trimmed, moisturized again, and styled. So I'm gonna check back in with you guys in a couple days when it's time to unravel. I'm excited to see how it looks when it's time to unravel, for real. But the twists feel really good. I'm gonna rock it like this for a couple days, and yeah, let me put it back. Should I do that right now? It might cause a little dent in the curls, but I do want to stretch it out a little bit. Okay, I'll just put it in loosely like that. Maybe I might have to tighten it, but I am leaving the house in a couple minutes to get my nails done. Bye.